What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs coming at you with another interior mod today. If you've been following along, you'll see that over the past few weeks I've installed quite a few products that can be found on the website www.jcscustomshop on the inside of my interior of my 2021 Camaro SS here. It is all color matched crush orange, so it looks great. You'll see that here in a minute. If you want to go check them out, be sure to go check them out on the channel. And if you like what you see, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button to help me out in what I'm doing here on the road to 10,000 subs. So for today's video, we finally got a warmer day. I've been having to wear a beanie and jacket and all that stuff out here making these videos, but we got the car angled here. Beautiful crush orange. Show you what I've done real quick. Just kind of an overview. Got the trim here, custom color matched dash, radio trim, shifter trim, steering wheel stuff, paddle shifters, all color matched. Crazy looking interior, of course, with the orange seats. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another mod for the door here. So like I mentioned before, we got the trim done here. We're gonna bring that color matched even further up. We're gonna do these pieces here, this entire outer trim. I'm trying to get rid of all the chrome, so I will eventually do something with this. But for today, we're doing this piece here. So here they are, the matched pieces I painted the other day. Turned out great. I'll sit them on our seat right here so we can get ready. So I'm going to start by cleaning this piece up. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of dust on it. Just probably just everyday debris. So we're going to clean it up real nice. You can kind of lift this up and get some of this piece here because it will go right through there too. Whoops, accidentally locked and unlocked the door. Made the handle loose for a second. All right, and I've got some rubbing alcohol right here. I'm just gonna rub that in. Good. So we're going to take our piece here. As you can see, it goes like that. And we're going to take the red protectant off here. I'm not going to time lapse this as it's one piece. Shouldn't take too long to do that. So if you end up liking the way this looks, be sure to check it out on the website mentioned before. It's linked down in the description down below. Might have a siren in the background. That's okay. All right. So we're going to take a little bit of heat. I like doing this with, put it in here out of the wind. I like doing this with 3M tape because it just helps it bond a little bit better. I gotta be careful and place it. Just like that. There we have the finished product. Looks really good. there you have it, guys. I think it turned out great. It brings that color matched look further up the door panel there. So yeah, if you like the way it looks, be sure to check it on the website, www.jcscustomshop.com, and go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button to help me out what I'm doing here. So until the next interior mod video, hope you guys have a good one. Peace.